as we honor Saint Joseph the Worker. Let us always remember that today the city of Tagbilaran celebrates its annual fiesta, and we also share that same spirit of hospitality as we welcome our family and friends to this celebration. Nalangan ko kahit picture taking na sa mga kauban dito. Actually, ako kaibaw kanina nga niabot ang akong classmate duha ka buok gikan sa Florida, si Regina Araneta o si Virginia Ete. Nga alam mo may classmate niya kuman niya nga kini Kader, taga-Buoy Kunin, kaya sa Trumbon, taga-Bulan, si Cynthia, taga-Pugon. Kaya, nakagawa ko contemporary ngayon abot ko, gusto ko ni Jerome sa Ukilan. So, meron ng Ukilan also to the celebration. Kaya, kini, nakakita ko may snap nila. At hindi naman yung celebration, kaya ko rin ang panilili, si Magdali na Lopez. Kaya mo na lang mo kami na reunion. Tingnan mo tapos-tapos din ka lang ng na. Pero I know that fiesta is always a time for gathering, a time for reunion, and most of all, a time for Thanksgiving for the many blessings that we have received from the Lord through the intercession of our patron, Saint Joseph. So I welcome you all to this celebration. Kunya, by the way, I forgot one thing. Daghang salamat sa mga Novena sponsors. Gikan sa first day at na sa 8th day, kay karon ang ikasiyang kaadlaw gibukan man sa fiesta. So, to all those who hosted the Novena and to all those who came and brought food, brought friends, daghang salamat. Ang ginuura at magbalus ka ninyo. Viva Señor San Jose! Viva Señor San Jose! Para magbibutong pa, Viva Señor San Jose! Mayong fiesta!
Eavesdropper. Wait, are you even video? Got your arms!
No. You put it there?